Well, Noto here, and guess what? We've got an air horn. You know what I'm gonna do? Since thunderstorms are like coming at 6:45, I'm just going to warn everyone that thunderstorms are coming. I'm gonna blast it for like, I'd say like 3 seconds, and that's it. Was that 3 seconds, Gian? Are you sure about that? It feels a lot more colder now. Well, I blasted it, and it's a lot more colder. Yeah, it has liquid nitrogen in it. Look what? See? Oh. Yo, that's the liquid nitrogen. Yo. See? That's the liquid nitrogen inside. Okay, I now need to wash my hands. It's a lot more, be right back.